everybody, it's Mary Ellen. I couldn't remember my name. It's Emmy from Create With Me, and I'm here in the Creativity Nest for another episode of Teach Me Tuesday. Thanks for being, just let me giggle for a second. So, I have been falling in love with the Ladybug Builder Punch. Have you seen it? It's so adorable. Let me take you to the desk and I'm going to show you the punch. Okay, so here's the punch. It's Ladybug Builder Punch and makes the cutest little cards. I'll show you a couple that I have here on my desk. So here's one that was, I can't remember who made this. Friend of mine though. Super cute. So here's a traditional ladybug. You stamp and you punch and there's her wings. And then here's one that I did for a little thank you card. Little non-traditional. I punched designer series paper from the pattern pack. This one right here. And then I used Mango Melody for the wings. Super, super cute. So absolutely loving that, right? So then I had seen my friend Terry Gaines had shown a card with a bee on it, and she used the Bumble Bee, or she used the Ladybug Builder Punch. And I want to show you that bee today, and I want to show you a couple cards that I made using it. So let me show you this exactly how you're going to do it. So here is just a black piece of paper, and I'm just going to punch out the body of the ladybug in black, just like that. So now I've got my body right here. And then I'm going to take the wings and I am going to use vellum. So you could use different kinds of vellum. So you could use one that already is shimmery. This is from the shimmery vellum pack. Can you see that little bit of shine? Now this one is the Newton color. So that would be pale papaya. All right, so that's already got shimmer on it. You could use vellum. I just used a strip of vellum. On this one, what I did was I took my Wink of Stella and I colored my vellum in advance. Now I don't think you can see that, but maybe when I finish the card and post it, you'll be able to see it. So I actually put it on there so it's sparkly and clear, and I'm actually gonna use that to do my wing. And so I'm going to put it in there. I don't know if it's in there. Can you see it? I'm eyeing it. There, you can see it if I get it in the light just right there. So it's super cute. And I'm just going to punch the wing. Okay. And then, of course, it's a bumblebee, right? So we need stripes. So what I did is my friend Terry had used a white and black stripe paper and colored with a marker. And I had not looked at how she did it before I jumped right in, because that's what I do. And so I had just taken some strips of bumblebee paper and I took my liquid glue and I just applied a little liquid glue and I started right down here on the bum, right at the very, very end. Okay. And all I'm going to do is just do some stripes. I'm going to do it this way just because we're together here and this is a time thing. Normally I would just take the stripe, I would wait a few seconds and then I would trim it off and then add it. But I've got the strips here, so I'm just gonna use them just like this. I'm gonna give it a second. Did I bring my scissors here? Yep, I got a pair right here. I can just trim them off generously and then go back, add a few more stripes to my bee. Let's add one more here, even though it's going to be on our wing, but our wing is made out of vellum, right? So you will see it. So we'll just let that dry for just a second. And while we're doing that, let's just set that aside. We're going to take our wings like this, and I just go and cut right up the middle. Okay, so what I've done is I've made this, these two pieces. Oh, let me put it on the black. These two pieces that look just like that. All right. So they have like a little bit of a tip. And then you're going to grab your black mini dimensionals. I'm going to do this on this bee and then I'm going to trim it afterwards. And I just put the black hexagon shaped mini dimensional. Remember that hexagon shape? That's going to mean something here in a little bit. But before I put my wing on, I take my bone folder and I give it a little curl. Okay, so I'm going to do that on both wings. Wink of Stella side up. There's a little bit of shimmer. Okay, now I'm going to come back. I think it's dry enough. I'm going to come back with my scissors and trim that off from the back. Okay, super easy. I guess coloring would be easier, but then I don't have to worry about if I ever run out of that black and white striped paper. I always have black paper, so that's why I like this. So here's that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take our hexagons, our adhesive backed hexagons. There's the big one is the same size as this Stampin' Dimensional. How cute is this? Whoops, remember I stamp, or once in a while that gets dry. I use mine a lot. I'm just going to do that. I got it into another one. And then this just goes right on top. I got a little bit of adhesive there. You probably can't even see it, but it came off of, there was one missing there. And then that is the little bee. Is that not cute or what? Let's see if you can see it on here. You can't see it probably because then you don't see the body. You know, I should think about these things before I show you. I'm not sure what the best way is. Oh, I forgot. You have to finish off the little antennas. So I like to take, this is a champagne rhinestone. And I like to just take a champagne rhinestone because we've got to have sparkle and bling. This one doesn't have any adhesive on it. Let me pick up another one. See what happened? I didn't back off my tool because I was talking to you. I went down and I didn't back it off and it just kept coming out. Well, that one didn't have any adhesive on it. So now we got a couple little rhinestones on here to finish it off. It's super cute. Here, maybe if I hold it in my hand. How cute is that? You could probably put a little bit of a stinger on it if you wanted to make it. But let me show you, let me make it even more realistic. Let me finish my sentence. Let me show you a couple of the cards. Okay, so this was the first card that I made. This was similar to what my friend Terry made, and she used the free daffodil paper. And then I made this little bee, and I added the little honeycomb. This is from the Abstract Beauty. I used a little comb. And then I did a little greeting in gold embossing powder, sending you lots of love. So that was my first card. It was okay. I didn't love it. Okay, I didn't love it. Then I thought about it and thought about it. And then I came up with this card, which I do love. Okay, so what I did was I made the tone on tone background with the larger hexagon, again from Abstract Beauty, added the hexagons here, made my image go this way, added a little hello, and then added some gold, the gold specialty paper that comes in 6x6, rose gold and regular gold in 6x6. And then I added a couple of the epoxy shapes that are little teardrops. So it looks like honey dripping. So that was my first card. Then I thought, and I used a honeycomb folder. So it's all about the bee, right? And the honeycomb. Then I thought, no, I want to finish it by making it be a layer. So I wanted the paper to stop at the layer. So I did a 3 3/4 by 5-inch layer. Added the hexagons in the background, the smaller ones in the foreground, and then finished my card out with the greeting that says, wishing you the sweetest day ever. So that's my little bee. And this one that we made today is even cuter because the little wings have a little shimmer on it. So that is how you turn ladybug, a ladybug into a bumblebee. Okay, so let me post, I'm going to post my host code right up there. And the reason I'm posting the host code is because if you use a host code to place your order, it can be on the Ladybug Builder Punch before it's sold out, because you know we love our punches. You will get a tutorial at the end of the month from me, 6 cards, full tutorials, full color tutorials. And then I want to also post the oh, let me see. This is for the Ladybug Builder Punch in case you want to know the number on the Ladybug Builder Punch. But if you use that host code, if you snag the shot or go back and watch it, and I'll post it in the header, I'll put my link in there, then you will get a tutorial from me at the end of the month. So I thank you so much for coming to create with me. I appreciate you as always. And you guys have a great day. Bye, everybody.